Well, hello, Captain Dan here again. And here we have the Vertigo plane. It was the last one I did a video on. And I've flown it 5 or 6 more times now, and it flies really well. And everybody at the field was impressed with how it looked and said it looked like the plane Fire Fox from the Clint Eastwood movie from 1984, I think. And it didn't look like Fire Fox to me. Now, I need to say that the design for this plane I downloaded from the site Build Fast. That's Kyle who does those planes. His planes are awesome. I've bought 3 of his designs so far, and this one does fly fantastic. But when everybody said it looked like Fire Fox, I said, well, I'm a 3D printer. This isn't Fire Fox. I can build Fire Fox. And when I looked into it and searched, it turned out that Kyle had built a Fire Fox. And this is it, Kyle's Fire Fox from the Build Fast site. All of Kyle's designs, or I should say, all of the ones I've seen are park flyers without wheels, and I like to build them with wheels. And his Fire Fox was 40 millimeter and hand launched. He builds park flyers mostly, and he flies them in a park. And I always put wheels on mine. So he had set this up to come in at 750 grams with twin 40 millimeter fans. I wanted to put wheels on it. It didn't look like it could handle it because even in his video it seemed underpowered. So I upped all of the dimensions on all the parts by 20% and then put 50 millimeter fans in it and came up with this. Now he designed this originally, and in one of his videos, which I can't find now, he gives credit to a friend of his that sometimes does work on his, additional work on his designs. And I wish I could give him credit now, but I can't because I can't find that video. But it has a lot of really great detailing that was added to it. So anyhow, I built the plane and I've attempted to fly it 3 times. It did fly once. And I'm going to show you the 3 videos. But my problem with it is, when I built it, I had to put landing gear on it. And the landing gear that were on it were too far back. I had them mounted here because that's where they are on the location on the movie plane, which is way too far back for the center of gravity. I had scale gear like the front one installed there, and I ended up moving the landing gear up so that they're only, as you can see, they're about 2 inches, 1.5 inches behind the center of gravity pins. And it could take off when it was in that position, but it couldn't fly before I did that. So let's take a look at a couple of the videos. Okay, Wayne, Fire Fox maiden flight. No. Okay.
Didn't want to do the head of all the way. Didn't want to. Still pulls a little bit, not much. There we go.
That's not going.
Not going. Ran into the grass again. Not going.
All right, bring her on back. Fire Fox, attempt number 3. First time I'm going to try it though. Let's see what happens. Okay. Which way is the wind blowing, Bob?
Come, take off this way.
Take off that way?
Yes.
take it off.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Whoa.
What the hell?
All right. We got it up and down. It flies. So that's where we are with Fire Fox so far. Turns out 2 laps of the field bring the battery down to 18%. So we were flying it with 2 4-cell 2200s. We're now upping that to a single. The other thing, battery's also extremely hot to burn through those batteries in 2 laps of the field is absolutely preposterous. So we went to 120C battery, a single, I think it's 4,000 is what's in here now. Yeah, so this is a 4,150C, and I'm hoping that now we can, I'm hoping to get 4 laps out of this thing without cooking it. So another video when I've attempted that. See you all soon.